Hi, this is Balaji. Now we're going to see about how to count attendance count by clicking the checkbox. Normally we can do attendance count by typing P means present. We have to type the present hours are typed P and the absent hours are typed A, and we can use count if function. We can so how many hours are present, that can be using count if we can see. Okay, for that we have to select the cell. Already I posted one video in that how the count if function will can do. Already I posted one video. You can see that. We know more about count if video, and you have to type equal and type count if and open the bracket, and they ask a range. We have to select the range, and we have to put the comma, and they asking criteria. We have to which criteria. I will which criteria means count the when the presents will be counted. So for that I will put quotation, and we have to type P and close the bracket. We getting count the number of present hour, it can be counted. So it is normal way we can do for putting attendance, but now I going to tell how to we can put attendance by clicking the checkbox. For that we go to developer tab. In top of the Excel sheet we have see the developer tab. If the some Excel sheet there is no developer tab means, already I posted on video how to enable the developer video. We can see that. From that we can enable the developer tab. After enabling the developer tab, you click it. Okay, we have to click the developer tab. We can in that we can see insert. So we have to click that. In that form control will be shown. In that we have see the checkbox. You have to click it and drag in particular cell, and we have to drag it. So in this checkbox you can see text, checkbox text. We can see you have to right click and edit text, remove the text, and we can align and keep it here. Okay, and after that you have to right click, and you have to select formats control. You have to select it. Tab will be open. In that we have to see the various tabs will be the size, color of checkbox, and size, protection, and properties, all text, and control. So in that control we have unchecked, checked, mixed. Unchecked means it's normally now most of the is a default condition is unchecked, will be default condition. We can change it into checked, means default will be checked. Checked means ticked. Okay, that's a checked. Now I will put in unchecked default, and you have to select the link cell. You have to select the link cell. For that you have to click here and select the select the same cell for linking, and you have to enter. So here we getting a cell link will be C, Amazon C and Amazon 3. That's a third column, third row. We getting that, and we have to we want 3D effect, means we have to give a 3D shading. So I will give it 3D shading and I give OK. We see that the checkbox will be set in the particular cell. So similarly here checkbox. So we have to put all the cell. We have to place this checkbox. For that you have to drag it and place this checkbox. You can see once we have to place it, you can see click here, all the checkbox will be enabled. For that you have to uncheck, it will be disabled. So here checked means we have to, here checked means we are getting here. So, all the checked will be linked to this cell. So when clicking this cell, all the checkbox will be enabled. So we want to change the each cell setting into particular cell. For particular cell we have to select. For third column third third row, we have to select the cell link. So similarly, we have to select each column and third cell link. So likewise, we have to change that. For that, you have to click that, right click, and you have to go to format control, and you have to change that cell link into this cell and enter. And similarly, and give OK. And next, we have to select this cell and we give control for format control, and we have to select the particular cell, and we have to give OK. And next, you have to select this and you have to click it format cell. You have to select particular cell. So likewise, we can do every all the cells. So now we can stick it. It will be particular cell only we can get enabled. So the text will be, we have to the in backside we can getting true and false condition we get. So for that will be, we have to remove it. For that we have to select the cell and we have to go to home, and we have to, so text color is, we have to select it, and it takes it will white color. Okay, we have to, that text will be become white color. So we getting a when enabled, we getting a checkbox is clicked. We getting every checkbox we have to click. If now we have to set the condition. For that we have to select this cell and we have to type count if. How to use count if command? For that we have to see my previous video. We can understood how to use count if command. So for that you have to type equal and you have to type count if and open the bracket, and we have to select the all the cell 1 2 comma we have to put, and you have to select, give the criteria. So if I give true, if the particular will be true means we getting a true condition. If now all the checkbox are unchecked, so that we getting a zero count. If I will check it, we getting an increment in 1. So like we have to check the second checkbox, we getting 2. Third checkbox 3, we getting a fourth checkbox, we get fifth checkbox, we getting format cut. So likewise we can do all the checkbox. So if I remove this uncheck this means we getting a count is decrease. So likewise we can set the attendance for by clicking itself. Okay, we can by clicking itself we can give the attendance or total hour how much we can for particular student attended will be that limit. I will do for all the students. For that you have to drag it, and we have to drag for all the students. So here we click it, this whole column will be selected. So for that you have to change. So I will click it means here in this cell it will be referring this cell. So we have to change all the cell into particular cell. So for that we have to do like that. For that we have to click, right click, and we have to go to control for format control, and select the cell link and click it and select the particular cell and enter and give OK. So now we can see this cell will be separate. So I will see that this cell will be separate. If this cell will be selected, the particular cell only is selected. So likewise we can do for all the cell, and we can drag it means we getting count is particular students how much hour attended will be getting. I will do it. Before that we have to set all the cell. I will set it now. So We have to click the checkbox, right click, we're getting format cell. We have to click that. So we're getting open this cell link. So we have to change it into 12 and enter. And next checkbox we have to change it likewise. That is 12th row, it will be selected. So now all the checkbox are set with particular cell. Now how it is working, we see that the particular cell we select that, the unchecked box are showing as false, checked box are true. True means it will be true, will be shown. I will hide it with background text color is white so that it not showing. If I change it, we can see it. I will select this cell and change it to black color, the text black color. We can see false will be showing. If I check it, we getting true. So I will set this cell as false and true. You have to remove this and we have to hide that. How it is working means trues are counting and false are not counting. So I will hide it by remove set as white color. Now we can check it. We getting a increment in number of hour present. So based on that we can give the attendance for particular student. So I will check it. We give so it automatically count that how many hour present. If I not checked, it will be absent. So I will Bala I will give check, it will automatically count. So likewise we can generate your attendance sheet by just clicking the checkbox. Thank you. Thank you for watching.